This is the letter sound I. So we are looking at the letter sound I and the alternatives. I mean the other ways that the letter sound I can be written. Okay, now I have, this is alternative letter sound I. When you see letter I, letter G and letter H, this makes the sound I. When you see letter I, there is a consonant before letter E. That makes the sound I. That is a consonant in between letter I and E. Letter I and E then makes the I sound. Okay, now let's look at example. I, pie, pie. You can see IGH, it makes I. So let's go, we have two letter sounds. I, together, hi, bravo. Okay, you can see letter I, you can see letter E, and there is a consonant in between, which is P. Letter P is in between. So now let's see their sounds. We have three sounds all together. I, ripe, ripe. Alright, so today I've shown you the letter sound I and its alternatives. I want you to watch this video again. I love you and see you in my next class. Bye.